This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to make custom data tables and aggregate data tables with SQL commands in R. Before you watch this video, you might want to watch the video how to run SQL commands on data frames in R with the SQLdf package, because that kind of contains the basics about why SQL will make your life even better. Let's load the SQLdf library and then run mtcars. Here's what mtcars looks like. Now, the first command in a SQLdf call is going to be the select command, followed by the column you want, another column you want, in any order. So look at this. This one is going to have gear, the gear column, and then the MPG column. I can rename the MPG column in the output to miles_per_gallon by putting an as command in there, or I can, switch the order, anything I want to do. Now X is going to have MPG renamed to miles per gallon before the gear column. Cool. And remember, the class of the mtcars is a data frame, so the class of X is also a data frame. SQLdf takes and gives data frames. All right, let's average stuff. You can run the average command on the miles per gallon for mtcars, and it's going to say, well, the average of the column is 20. Or you can even add counts, and you could put them in any order. I could put this before this or after this. Here's the number of records in the mtcars data frame. How about the number of records where the miles per gallon is below 20? There it is, 18. I could have put this in any order, all different columns that I want. Cool. All right, time to aggregate stuff. Select gear, and then an aggregation command. This is normally used with a group by. See that? And then pick a column name, whatever you want to call it, and the result is 3, 4, and 5 gears average miles per gallon within the column. Do you remember this? We've used this before. I'm going to store this into a data frame, and here's mpg.by.gear, this data frame. Well, it looks a lot like the tapply function run on miles per gallon, broken out by different gear. Oh, look at that. It is the same thing. SQL is an intensely powerful language that you don't want to miss. Hit your wagon to a star. This has been a work of R.